Hello everyone, it's me Damla. It really took a long time to convince me for making this video cause the winter is my life right now. Anyway, welcome to the new tutorial series. In this tutorial series, I will talk about how to make a cute little game without using code. Bitsy is a small game engine that I really like, so this video is gonna be about the understanding interface and color system of Bitsy. Let's start with the left side of the screen. It's included information about this game engine, and also you can find the tutorial link from the creator of Bitsy. As you see, you can read everything about Bitsy and can develop your own games according to this. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you. Just kidding. Okay, let's start. You can write the title of the game here. Then you can even add extra tools on your screen like dialogues or inventory. In default, you'll see 5 different windows on the screen. You can also remove it on your screen if you click X. Also, if you wanna add these windows back, you can just click Tools and then you can choose to show or hide the window. Oh, also we can move the windows on the screen, just drag them. It's easy. As a color dynamic, only 3 colors can be used on Bitsy. These colors are used for background, style and sprite. Again, in default, the background color is dark blue, the tile color is light blue, and the sprite color is white. These colors can be changed from the color palette, or if you wanna use a specific color, the color code can be written in this box. Okay, now let's change the background color first. As you see, the background color changes on the paint window. Normally it must have changed on room windows as well, but it doesn't want to change now. It's probably about my browser. If I use Chrome, it will be working properly, I guess. So what if I click to play? Yep, the color is changed here now. Sometimes OpenGX doesn't work or support properly on every program. Anyway, I'm gonna change the tile color and sprite color, and after I click the play, and we will see the differences on the screen. By the way, if you forget to click to stop, you won't be able to change anything on the screen, so you need to stop it. Okay, let's give this color palette a name. We can create a new color palette to use on different levels. I click this button and a random color palette is created. I can also change these colors as I want. And then I can give a name to refer to this palette. Maybe you just want to change the sprite color for the other level and you want the background and tail color to stay the same. Then you can duplicate your color palette from this button. By the way, the room is associated with only one color palette because Bitsy supports only 3 colors on the screen, as I said. You couldn't use 2 different palettes for the same room. With these buttons, you can see the color palettes which you have. I think this button is so obvious. If you don't like the color palette, then delete it now. Don't waste your time with this color palette. You can search the color palettes which it's created. You can find it as a name or ID. You can do this search thing for every window. But right now our topic is colors, so you can search and find the color palettes here. I guess that's all. Now you know Bitsy's interface and about the color system. Stay tuned. Bye!